Hello, welcome to the Coovings Healthy Kitchen. My name's Gary Dowse. In the kitchen today, I'm super excited because I have my latest book, Juicing for Seasons. Now, this book is book 2 in the Juice Chef series, and it's all about aligning your health to the seasons of Mother Nature. That's right, it's about teaching you what to juice in each of the seasons. Let's have a closer look at the book, shall we? All right then, let's take a closer look at what's inside this book. Firstly, it's a thick book. There's over 200 pages there of information and recipes to guide you through each of the seasons. Come in and have a look. I've got the top 13 foods to juice for each of the season, and you're going to get the nutritional information that you need for each of those foods. I've also got here, what have we got here? We got the health benefits of juicing. So what are my top 7 reasons why drinking more juice is going to be beneficial for your health? Then got a healthy eating section. And you can say, why is there a healthy eating section? This is a juicing book. But in order to absorb more nutrition from the juices, you really want to be eating well, reducing your fats, reducing your artificial foods, making your bloodstream absorb more of the nutrient that you have in your foods if you're eating a healthier diet. You don't want to make a juice and drink it straight after you've eaten a pizza. You're not going to get the nutrition you need. And then, of course, we get into the recipes, 13 recipes for each of the seasons. And you can see here I've got how to prepare, what the ingredients are, and even the way you would want to juice it in your cold press juicer. All of these recipes are about supporting your body in each of the seasons. Different fruits and vegetables come into season for a reason, and it's to support you and your health. How about we make a juice? Welcome back to the kitchen. I've got the Auto 10 hands-free cold press juicer, and I'm going to make the recipe from the front cover. It's the Autumn Sun juice recipe. It made the front cover because it's just delicious tasting juice, perfect for autumn when the pears, the apples, the all-important oranges and passion fruits are coming into season. Now the pears, of course, they're beautifully high in soluble fibre, which is perfect for digestion and gut health. We got oranges for the immunity as we come into the colder months of autumn. Got the lovely red apple here, which has really got some great antioxidants in there. It's going to provide a nice sweetness as well. And we've got the passion fruits, great for heart health and actually help with relaxation. I want to put the passion fruits, I'm going to show you how we do it. We don't put the skin in, but we're going to use the pulp and the seeds inside. All right, let's get cracking into making this juice recipe. With the Auto 10, let's pop up in the top. The apple, I can put it in whole. I do like to cut it in half, pop it in. With the pears, same thing, we want to get rid of that stem. We don't want that woody stem going in. Then cut them in half. We can throw those in as well. We've got 2 pears going in there, 1 apple. Now with the oranges, of course we don't want the skin. That's going to taste too bitter. So top and tail. And then we want to take off the orange part. Leave as much of the white pith as you can because that's what has a lot of vitamin C. And then we can pop that in. Always like to cut the round fruits in the Auto 10 so they don't bounce around as much. If you cut them in half, they'll go through the machine a lot easier. You can see here, I like to use ceramic knives when I'm preparing fruits and vegetables for juicing. The reason I use a ceramic knife is less oxidation. And when you're juicing, you want to get maximum amount of antioxidants and the least amount of metal oxidation. Okay, look how much white pith there's there. Now if you leave a little bit of, if there's a little bit here and there of the orange zest, that's going to add a little bit of extra flavour. Too much is going to overpower the juice and you're not going to like the taste. All right, so that's the oranges. Let's look at the passion fruit, shall we? So we want to cut them in half. Now here's a little tip for passion fruits. When you're buying your passion fruits in the shops, feel them, right? Put it in your hand, compare a couple of different ones. The heavier one has more pulp, more seeds, and you're going to get more flavour, more juice out of it. So chop them in half, get up onto your juicer, and we're going to scoop them into the machine. This is going to add lots of different flavour. You can smell the beautiful fresh passion fruits. You're not going to get that on the video, but I can tell you it's already smelling amazing. Nice little part here. Put it on the top. Full of passion fruit seeds here. These ones are really juicy. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, let's close the machine. Beauty about the Auto 10 hands-free juicers, we get to walk away, let it do its job, and we'll come back when the juice is ready. See you then. Okay, there, the juice has been made. Let's have a look. First thing you'll notice is, look at this beautiful colour, this golden autumn colour. One of the things with autumn, you see those, like the autumn leaves of the tree, you see those reds and the oranges and the golden colours, like the fruits and the veggies that come into season, the sweet potato and the plums, all the different coloured plums. Look at the colour of the pear and the apples. These are the beautiful autumn fruits and vegetables, things like rhubarb as well, all in season during autumn. All right, so about 750 mils this one makes, so you're probably going to get 3 good serves out of that. Cheers, here's to autumn. Oh, first of all, the aroma as you go to take a drink from that passion fruit, it's just stunning. It's creamy, it's sweet, it's tangy. I know that you're really going to enjoy drinking this juice and celebrating the season of autumn. So there we have it. Book 2 of the Juice Chef series. The latest book is now available to purchase at koovings.com.au. Lots of information about the seasons. And my goal for the book is to help you juice smarter. Because maybe, if you're like I used to be many years ago, and I only ever drank one type of juice. That was carrot, apple, celery, and ginger. That was the juice I drank, and I didn't have anything else. These days, you've got so much beautiful seasonal produce that comes in at the right time of the season to assist your health and your body. And when you get into juicing in harmony with the seasons, in harmony with Mother Nature, guess what, guys? You also come into harmony. Harmony is the opposite of dis-ease, not being at ease. We want to be in harmony. So let's follow the seasons with our juicing and improve and benefit our health. That's it for me. Happy juicing.